In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set event privacy and access permissions in Google Calendar. This is an essential skill for managing your calendar effectively, ensuring that your events are shared or kept private according to your needs. Let's dive right into the process. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by simply going to calendar.google.com, where you'll see your current month's calendar view. If you're planning to set up an event for a particular month, ensure you've selected that month within the calendar's interface. Next, you need to focus on the specific calendar where you want to adjust settings. Find the calendar on the left side of the screen where all your calendars are listed. Click on the three dots next to the calendar name. Doing this will open a small drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to click on Display This Only, which helps declutter your view by focusing solely on the calendar you're working with. Now, locate the event you want to adjust. You can do this by browsing through the calendar or using the search function if necessary. Click on the existing event to bring up its details. Once the event details pop up, look for the pencil icon or an edit option. Select this to start editing the event. This is where you can change the specifics of your event. In the event editing view, look for the option labeled Default Visibility. Clicking on this will reveal different privacy settings. This is a crucial part of setting up your event, as it determines who can see your event details. You'll generally have three options: public, private, or a default option. To make your event accessible to everyone, click on Public. By doing this, you're allowing anyone with access to your calendar to see the event and its details. This is especially useful for public events or when you want to ensure broad visibility. On the flip side, if your event needs to be restricted to specific individuals, you should select Private. Private events ensure that only invited guests can see any details about the event. This is ideal for personal appointments or confidential meetings. After you've selected the appropriate privacy setting, make sure to save your changes. Just hit the Save button, usually located at the top right corner of the event editing window. Saving will apply all the changes you've made and update your event with the new privacy settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to set event privacy and access permissions in Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can confidently manage who sees your event details, enhancing your productivity and privacy. Happy scheduling, and see you next time.